If you run a business, sell services, or just want to understand how people buy, keep watching. Even if this isn't your industry, you'll learn something crazy valuable today. Most business owners are obsessed with getting new clients, new leads by running ads. They send cold DMs, they create complicated funnels. But smart business owners take out money from the easiest source sitting right in front of them. That's exactly what happened with my client, a self transformation coach, Pritha Balakrishnan. She had a WhatsApp group full of old leads, completely deactivated for over 2 years. 7 days later, she had 18 sales calls booked for a high ticket offer, a high ticket sales call closed immediately, and 8 hot leads in the pipeline. She did it by running no ads, no spamming, no weird magic tricks. She did it with just one simple strategy. And whether you sell coaching, agency services, courses, or even real estate, you can steal this method and apply it today. Let me break it down for you. Step 1: reviving deactivated WhatsApp group. I call it the lazy genius method. Most people think old leads are deactivated. No, they are not. They are just waiting for the right nudge. Here's what I did not do. We did not send, hey, long time no see, how are you kind of messages. We did not spam them with random offers. We did not pretend to care about their life updates. Instead, we sent one simple message. Hey everyone, I'm closing this group soon on this date. And just like that, people started replying. Wait, what's happening? Why are you closing? Oh damn, I forgot I was even in here. Why this works? Scarcity. People do not like missing out. People do not like to lose out on something. Curiosity. They want to know why the group is closing. Zero pressure. It feels casual, not salesy. This one message revived 140 inactivated leads. Now, step 2, engage. Get people to engage without being that desperate for sales calls, right? Once they started replying, we just need to get them talking. We could have pitched right there, but that's what 99% of people do. And that's exactly why they fail. Instead, we sent a quick poll. Are you still working on X pain point? Option A, yes, but I need help. Option 2, no, but I'm interested in learning more. Option 3, no, not right now. 2 people, yes, but I need help, and no, but I'm interested in learning more. They are my audience. Why this works? Why so many people responded? Polls, they take zero effort to answer, hence we get more responses. People reveal their intent without feeling pressurized. Third, it helps me filter out who are serious audience. So all those who voted for yes, but I need help, no, but I'm interested in learning more, they are my audience. Everyone who voted for those options, they got a personal DM from my client. Step 3, the DM that turns strangers into interested prospects. At this point, most people get greedy and desperate. They start bombarding people with messages like, hey, I have an amazing offer for you. Let's jump on call. Let's have a special discount. Like crazy offers, right? Now, that's exactly how you get ignored. Instead, my client sent this super chill, zero pressure message. She sent them a DM. Hey, I saw you voted for yes and the other option. I'm inviting a small group of people to a free community or WhatsApp group. Want to join? This message, why this works, it's personal, it's exclusive, it's a small group and invite only basis. So it creates exclusivity and there's no pressure. It's just a simple invite. Almost everyone said yes, and we moved them into a new WhatsApp group where the real magic happens. Step 4, from hey to here's my credit card. Once they were in new group, we did not pitch them immediately. We warmed them up by dropping real value. We shared some wins from previous clients, the clients she used to work with, and some success stories. It all happened within 2 days. And then my client sent this one message in their DMs. Hey, I noticed you're working on X problem, because they had voted for it. I'm organizing a quick strategy session this week in next 4 days. Do you want to get on that free strategy session? I'll build out a roadmap for you. Why this message works? It's friendly, not salesy. They're already warmed up from the group, from all those case studies. FOMO kicks in. They don't want to miss out. Because I've added timeline here, I've told them that, hey, it's only for 4 days. Now, the result, 18 sales calls booked for this high ticket offer in 7 days. Step 5, the final transformation. Out of those 18 calls, she did one high ticket sale. Immediately, 8 hot leads are in the pipeline. We have spent 0 rupee in the ads. And this is a part I love. These were not new leads. This was money sitting right under my client's nose. And these are the 3 big takeaways that you should take out from this video. 1, your old leads are not deactivated. They are just waiting for the right message. Second, the scarcity plus personalization is equal to sales gold mine. 3, you don't need fancy tech, not fancy email tools, or some funnel builders. You just need to talk to people. If you have an email list of old WhatsApp leads, email leads, or phone numbers, you can use this strategy today to book calls for your high ticket offer. And if you want my help to set it up for you, you can book a call from the link in description. Subscribe this channel for more high valuable content, and tell me what would you like to learn more in future, because I've got crazy amount of value, but I would love to know what are your views on this video and what would you like to learn in future. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.